What is good, YouTube? I am back in the lab again today. My peeps over at EVbase looked out for me and they sent me out some carbon fiber mud flaps. So right now, I just have the black EVbase mud flaps on here. So check it out. This is the carbon fiber one. And what I like about it is it has that nice little texture on there. So no, it's not real carbon fiber, it's just plastic. I don't think you'd want to put real carbon fiber down there because that'd be expensive for something just to get ruined. But as you see, look at the texture in there, y'all. Cool thing is, kind of like some of the other installs that I've done, it doesn't take a lot of tools. Only thing you really need is just a flathead screwdriver to pop those push pins out. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do this. It's really like a 5 to 10 minute process, but for some of you who have never done it, I'm here to show you people how easy it is to put on these mud flaps. You don't gotta pay nobody. Just watch this video, quick 4-5 minutes, and I'm gonna get you right. Let's jump into it. All right, so first thing you wanna do is make sure you got a handy dandy cushion so you don't have to be putting your knees on rough concrete. So I got my handy dandy cushion, and then let me see if I can get a little closer. So what I'm gonna do is remove this tab. There's 2 tabs in here. Just push pins, like I said, all you need is a screwdriver. They just pop out the tabs. Don't worry about if you break them because the kit comes with new ones. Boom. So as you see, it's out. How long did that take, y'all? And then sometimes you get debris behind here. You're gonna get push pins inside. And then these go in here once you get it kind of situated. So what you wanna do is line her up. Get your push pin, make sure it's flush, and then give her a push. Actually, all these push pins are the same size, and you will get these clips inside the bag. These clips, they go right here in this little notch. But let me do this push pin real quick. So we got the push pin. I'm just trying to get the second one in there. Found it. Take that, my pin, push her in. And then you want to get your clip. Like I said, because you see without the clip, it'll stick out a little bit. That's what this is for. I'm actually happier they went with the metal clip because like I showed you, my plastic clip, that one broke. So with this, I want to make sure it's flush and then push, and it's on there. So as you can see, outside of a little bit of dirt, she's on there. What I like about these is it shows you which side it's on. So like right here it says right, left. So that's your right or your rear left. So this goes on the other side. All right, got another light. So same thing, push pin right here. Just want to pop that baby out. Flick your screwdriver. Boom. And then you can get in there with your hand and just pull the rest of it out. That's it. And then this kind of just slides out. And like I said, you can get behind there, wipe whatever dirt you see out. But I've already washed the car. So now we'll grab our other one and throw that in here. One thing to note, you see this little tab right here? You have to take this off. And the cool thing is you can just unscrew it with your hand. So remember, you have to take this off. All right. Put that baby in there. Try my best to get her lined up. Oop. All right. You want to make sure you hook your tabs too. All right, think I'm in there. Uh-oh. Real quick, I want to show you guys, the size difference between the two. As you see, much bigger footprint, which hopefully that reduces a lot of the mud and grime and dirt that's slinging on the back of this wheel or the back of this fender. So check out that size difference on the rear. All right, I'm just installing this one. All right. Little dirt, nothing crazy. As you see, we got the little pinhole right here. Gotta line up. Definitely gotta go up with this. Boom. Like a glove, y'all. Like a glove. Pins are a little stiff. Boom. Pin. Boom. And then, what? I'm done now. Just putting on the little, wait a minute. I didn't realize this had something inside of it. That's interesting. So apparently you want to swap these out with the nut. Get back, Viper. So one thing you want to do is definitely swap these out. These are what's on the car right here, and you want to swap it with the nut that's provided in the kit when you put these on. So get rid of that and put your nut on there. And then make sure you see this little lip. You want to make sure that lip is tucked in behind the fender, because if not, you'll have a gap. So all you gotta do is just push it and it slides right in. So let me go grab a wrench, because you will need a little wrench to tighten these on there. And that's, all right, so this nut that's in here, that's just a 10 mil. So we're just gonna tighten that on there. And I'm using my Easy Red wrench. This wrench has come in handy for so many different jobs. It's crazy. I'll post a link to this wrench, man, down below where you can scoop it up at. But man, this wrench is crazy because it comes in so much handy, because you got the flexible head on both sides and it's a 1/4 inch ratchet, but it's so freaking thin. So it makes getting it to like spots like this easy because you got the leverage. All right, show you guys what it looks like in the sun with the carbon fiber mud flaps. So see if the camera can pick that up, but check that out. Look at that weave pattern. Yep, I know it's not real, but man, that looks good. And I love the fact that this actually matches my carbon fiber imitation spoiler. There it is from the rear. So check that out. Yeah, y'all. If you want a set of these, like I said, you can pick these up from EVbase. They're not even crazy expensive. I have a discount code, SWINT. You can use that to take 6% off. Either way, the link will be below, but check out the discount code SWINT if you want to get a discount on these mud flaps. Like I said, these things, they're fire, y'all. And then it just ties in good with my rear diffuser that I got from EVbase. I wish this was carbon fiber, but it's not. Don't open, don't open. All right, but yeah, check out the carbon fiber spoiler with the carbon fiber mud flaps. Looking real good, both from EVbase. Like I said, use that promo code SWINT down below, because that'll get you a nice little discount on these things. Don't pay full price for nothing, especially if you can get it for a discount. But yeah, man, this was just a quick little install. It's getting warmer out, y'all. You see there ain't no snow, so it's time for the bike to come out. Be looking out for more content. I'm gonna still be driving this thing, making content on this, as well as the gold wing and then other tech stuff, because y'all know I'm just a tech head. But yeah, this turned out phenomenal. But I will catch y'all in the next Swintnation video. Peace.